Hey, how's it going? Got a review and unboxing here, the M18 Orbital quarter sheet sander.
Think where we'd be without sand.
Got this off of Amazon. I'll put a link below, and if you stick around to the end, we'll test this sucker out and see how she works. But I also have the M18 Random Orbital Sander, but sometimes you just want a little bit more delicate work, so we'll see how this works here. Yeah, so that's what we got inside the box. Comes with a dust collection bag. We'll give that a shot, see how that works out. So it comes with a vacuum adapter. And it comes with a couple sheets of sandpaper to get you started. Sheet 120 and a sheet of 220. So let's check this out here. Oh, I like this. So it also comes with a template for sandpaper. You can stick your quarter sheet sandpaper in there and punch it down, and just like that. Now you have your holes for dust collection. So that's pretty handy. Touch it this way forward. Yeah, it's great. It's got some screw holes in there if you wanted to mount it to a workbench. I'll probably just store it with the sander. But it takes the M18 battery. And then installing the sandpaper is fairly simple. This is a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. It's actually lighter than my corded version. We'll just take that and push down this little button there. You pull that here. Let's see if I can loosen that up a little bit. There we go. And in the back, it has a lever up here. You pop up, and that swings your little cam arm over for holding the sandpaper in place. You're just going to push that down. There you go. Now you got your sandpaper attached. Let me grab a piece of wood and a battery, and we'll try this sucker out. I got a piece of cherry, just a scrap piece of cherry we got sitting around. It's got a little bit of water damage. I'll put a couple pencil marks on it here. Oh, see what I did there? Put some pencil marks on there just to see how it works, how it removes material. I'll go ahead and throw the dust collection bag on here. How's that go on? Yep, there it goes, just snaps in place. And then I got a 5 amp hour battery that I'm going to put in here. That does have variable speed. You can see that. And the on and off switch is just right in the front. So let's give it a shot and see how it works. I think it's, wow. Yeah, that's nice. I didn't have the holes lined up very well. Probably need to practice that a little bit more. So it didn't do a whole lot of dust collection. Let's see if it actually collected anything. I think I had the holes blocked. Yeah, I don't know if you can see down in there. There's not any dust, but I had the holes blocked. So I think it's my fault, not the tools. Let's just take a look at this here. Yeah, this board is pretty badly dished. So it just really got the outside. But yeah, it took off all the pencil marks pretty easily. I normally hook it up to a dust collector, so I'll probably use this. It's just nice to come with. It fits in the vacuum. I like it so far. First impression's pretty good. I got a couple projects. I have the Random Orbital Sander, and I think the Random Orbital Sander is a good tool. And here they are. Move this board out of the way. Here they are side by side. Here's the size comparison. Take a look at that. Random Orbital Sander is a little bit taller, but the reason why I like a finished sander for some work is it's a little easier to control. This one is, it also has the random orbiting action instead of just the back and forth you get with some of the older quarter sheet sanders. It's just nice. I mean, of course, if you're going to do some aggressive sanding, this works, or if you have a larger surface area, this is definitely a more efficient way to sand than this. But for interior things or places where you have to reach interior square corners or sand right up to the edge of something, say like the bottom of a cabinet where the cabinet's already put together, you know, 1/4 inch sheet sander works fantastic for that. Anyway, I'll keep trying it out. One thing I noticed is it doesn't balances on the battery, whereas this one sits flat. But other than that, yeah, pretty well made, like most of the Milwaukee stuff. I'm not a fan of every Milwaukee tool, but most of their stuff is just outstanding. So anyway, I'll keep you posted and let you know how it goes. Just a quick one today, that's all I have, so thanks for watching.